Do you think, Sierra? You want to race?
Yeah, vale. Anda.
I think I'm getting worse at rolling my R's. I think I used to be better at it. I'm having a hard time there.
The opposite, you can't get the motor started. Oh, no. You should probably go first, so you're not like taking video of my fat ass.
She's a little trooper.
It wasn't for the weight factor, I'd brought that gimbal.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Fluid adjustment, Jesus. That's
How much does that thing weigh?
Huh?
How much does it weigh?
not 10. Not 10. It's not heavy at all. It's just like, I got the minimum. I got food and water and a jacket in here.
I was gonna say the stuff that you guys had didn't even really influence the weight of my stuff.
Yeah.
It was the thing that really did it was my jeans.
Yeah, I'd want to bring it in the case. That's more volume.
Yeah. Well, it depends though. I had like over 60 pounds in my stuff. When you get to that weight, you don't notice a little bit. But when you're only at a day pack weight, and you're climbing up a huge mountain, then you may notice an ounce.
Little.
Holy shit.